Okay, I think I'm live, guys. Good evening, everyone. All right, so I'm audible. Hmm. So today, actually, we'll be discussing about our resume, actually, like how we can prepare the resume, and if you are mentioning any kinds of project in your resume, so how you should mention that project in your resume. Okay, so these kinds of actually discussion we'll be doing in this live. But before that, guys, let me show you. I think many of you have missed out that yesterday enrollment. So just a minute. Yeah. So I think my screen is visible. So you can see. Uh, I think yesterday I already announced my Udemy courses are free. Okay, but only actually 1,000 seats were available. So that's why actually limit was over. That's why you are not able to enroll for the course. Now again, see, it's a free. Okay, again, this limit has increased and it is free now. So what you can do, guys, if you have missed out, so you can enroll for the course right now. Okay, it's completely free. So let me share you the link in the chat. Even what I will also do, I will also add this link in the description section after the session. Okay, so from there you can get the link. So just a minute. So this is for generative AI. And this is for Python. Yeah, now it will work. You can try. Just let me know. Just click on the link and you can try. It will work, I think. Okay, so this is the, I already shared the coupon with you. Because that coupon is changed, right, already. Because limit was over, now it will work. If you just check it. And this is for the Python, guys. So both are free right now. So again, 1,000 seats are available. 1,000, let's say, enrollment are available. So just try to enroll quickly. Okay, great. Yeah, even I'm also planning to actually, come up with actually end-to-end implementation in the channel. In this channel, actually, not on Udemy. Just a minute, let me switch. Yeah, so in this channel, actually, we'll be doing end-to-end project implementation. So we'll be learning how we can implement end-to-end machine learning project, end-to-end deep learning project, end-to-end computer vision project, and end-to-end NLP and GenAI. Okay, so from all the domain we'll be doing the project. So first of all, I'm planning to start from the very basics project, because what happens actually, there are so many learners, those who are actually starting new. So initially I won't be starting with the advanced project. So first of all, I will try to implement the simple implementation without any kinds of MLOps tool. Then once we complete at least one implementation from each domain, then I will also show you how we can implement this kinds of project with the help of MLOps tool as well. Okay, we'll be also exploring different kinds of MLOps tool here. So make sure, guys, you subscribe to the channel, you follow the channel and share the channel with your friends and family so that they can also get to know. Now, see, today's discussion is like resume guidance. So I'll give you some of the tips actually whenever you are preparing your resume. So what are the things you have to take care? See, whenever we are preparing our resume, this channel, okay, fine. So see, whenever you are preparing your resume, first of all, try to see the job description. Let's say you have prepared for one, let's say technology. Let's say you have prepared for the machine learning, or let's say deep learning or generative AI, anything. So let's say whenever you are applying for any kinds of job, first of all, go to the website of the job, like where they are giving the circulation and all. Just try to check that circulation. Okay, after that, what you can do, try to read that job description, like what kinds of, let's say, job it is, what kinds of, let's say, employee they are looking for, what kinds of skills they are expecting, right? So this thing actually you have to first of all check it out. After checking it out, based on that you have to upgrade your resume, because I have seen many people are there, what they usually do, they create only one resume, and this resume actually they share everywhere, whether it's a machine learning position, whether it's a deep learning position, whether it's a NLP position, anywhere. Okay, they will submit that resume. For this actually they won't be getting any kinds of call. Got it? So don't do this kinds of mistake. First of all, try to see the job description. Let's say they're looking for machine learning developer, they're looking for who knows actually machine learning, those who knows actually, let's say, data analysis and all. So what you have to do, based on that you have to upgrade your resume. Let's say if you have done any machine learning related project, just try to mention in your resume at least 2 to 3 projects you have to mention from the machine learning, right? And all the skills, all the, let's say, extracurricular activity, if you have related to the machine learning, you can also mention it there. Got it? But what people will do, they will also mention the deep learning project, generative AI project. Okay, so it is not required because they're looking for machine learning developer, right? So that's why you have to create multiple resume always. With respect to that, you have to submit everywhere. First of all, try to read the job description. Based on that, try to upgrade your resume, then try to submit there. That's how actually you will get a call. Okay, you will get a call from the company. So you have the highest probability, okay, that time. But if you're only submitting one resume everywhere, so there is very less probability your resume would be shortlisted. Got it? So that is what you have to always remember. And those who are fresher, actually, if you are preparing your resume, try to prepare your resume in just 1 pages, okay, not in multiple pages. Try to prepare your resume in just 1 pages. In 1 pages, everything, just try to write it, but don't write like too many content there. Let's say you have written everything. No, it's not like that. Try to keep your resume neat and clean. Okay, no need to mention like too much content in your resume. Otherwise, what will happen? Again, your resume might be rejected because they don't have that much of time to go through your resume, right? So if your resume is neat and clean, then definitely they will look at your resume. Otherwise, they will reject it. Got it? But if you have experienced person, let's say if you have already experience, then in case actually what you can do, you can create a multiple pages resume, but try to create in 2 pages only. Okay. But if you have like more experiences, if you have done more projects, more work, then what you can do, you can also create 3, 4 pages resume as well. It's completely fine. Got it? Okay, no environment in Pinecone. See, Manoj, actually Pinecone has updated their like code base. So what you can do, if you want to, let's say, rectify that error, so let me show you how we can rectify. So for this, just go to your YouTube channel first of all. That means Code Commander YouTube channel. Let me open the Code Commander. Now here, if you go to the playlist section, let's say complete generative AI series. So there you will see one project implementation called medical chatbot. Let me show you. I think it is there. Medical chatbot, introduction to Llama text, after that, and yeah, so this project actually, so if I open it up, see, so here I already showed you how to use the upgraded version Pinecone. Okay, I think my screen is not visible. Just a minute, let me share my screen. Now I think it is visible. See, so this is our channel, guys. So here all the videos is already updated in the playlist. So try to open this end-to-end medical chatbot. Okay, this project. Now if you see here, the Pinecone integration I already showed here. Pinecone. Yeah, initializes Pinecone vector database. So here I showed you how we can use the upgraded version of the Pinecone. Okay, because see, this is a completely research field. Actually, every day they are like doing lots of upgrade in their package, in their website, right? So that's why actually you have to always check the documentation, what kinds of update they are doing and all. Okay, based on that you have to update the code base as well. Otherwise everything will remain same. Only you just need to change the initialization of the Pinecone. That's it. Okay, yeah, I hope now it is clear how we can fix that error. So but the issue is, for most of the openings they ask for the MLDL, MLOps, QnA 2. It is too problematic what it should indicate stuff on the interview. See, today's job market is like a little bit hard, right? So if you want to crack a good job, you should have actually good knowledge with all the technology. So don't rely on the machine learning. If you know machine learning, also try to start learning deep learning, MLOps. Okay, these are the thing as well. Okay, but there are some company actually they will hire you if you have the proper skill set in the machine learning also, but also try to upgrade yourself. Okay, this will help you a lot because there are so many competitions. So I think you are getting my point, right? Yeah. And guys, if you want actually resume templates, what I can do, I can share some of the resume template with you, so you can refer that template for implementing, I mean for creating your resume. Actually, just a minute, I'm having one GitHub repository with me. So here I have updated all kinds of resume, like fresher resume, then like experienced person resume. Okay, everything I have uploaded. So here is the link I have shared in the chat. Okay, so here you will get all kinds of resume. So let me share my screen again. I think then you can see that. Okay, so guys, you can see this is the GitHub. This is my GitHub, and here this is the repository, data science resume template. Okay, so here you can see all kinds of resumes are available. Like if you are having 12 plus actually experience, you can use this template. If you're having 3+ experience, you can use this template. Okay, that's how all kinds of resumes are there. Okay, if you're fresher also, fresher resume is also there. Okay, see, fresher resume is also there. So based on that, you can create any kinds of like resume. But see, it's not actually, I mean, fixed one. If you have any other template, you can also create it. No need to worry. There are so many like tools and technology today we can use for creating our resume. Okay. Best vector store embedding. Best vector store embedding. Vector store, or you are talking about embedding model? Which one? Like there are two kinds of like things are there inside generative AI. One is like vector store, that is mean vector database, and there is like embedding model. Okay, this embedding model will help you to actually convert your data as a numerical representation. So if you're looking for best vector store, so I can suggest start with at least ChromaDB, and you can also start with Fias. See, if you want to store your like vector in a locally, okay, in your local system, that time I will suggest go with Fias. Okay, because Fias is a little bit fast, right? And if you are looking for actually cloud-based vector DB, then I will suggest go with Pinecone, because Pinecone is a little bit easy to use. Okay, so here you don't need to do so many setups. And if I'm talking about embedding model, all the embedding model are good. Okay, I've been watching your lecture on QnA. It's amazing. Thank you, Javed. Thank you for your appreciation. And guys, make sure if you have missed out that enrollment, this is a free enrollment, that Udemy one. I already given the link in the chat. From there you can do the enrollment. Okay, if you have missed out, so it's free, guys. Another 1000, let's say, enrollment we have increased. Okay, so it's completely free. You can enroll it if you want. All right, so I think now you got it, how we can prepare our resume. Okay, and I have given some of the actually, let's say, advice on that. Apart from that, actually, if you are having any kinds of query, you can let me know, because every day we are doing these kinds of live. You can tell me. Definitely we can also discuss about it. So I think, guys, we're done. I think you don't have any doubt. Maybe we can end the session right now if everything is fine. Yeah, Shankar, another 1000 actually enrollment, you will see. I will also attach the link in the description after the live. Okay, from there you can enroll it. Great. So thank you so much, guys, for joining this session. Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. Hi, love you from Pakistan. Yeah, thank you, Javed. Thank you. I'm not clear about the fine-tuning techniques. What you are not clear about, you can let me know, because it's very easy. First of all, you have to learn about what is QLORA and LoRa technique, like what is quantization. Then you can fine-tune any kinds of large language model. I have already created dedicated lecture on top of it. Okay. Thank you, Javed. Thank you, everyone. You can stay in touch with me here, because every day I'm coming live, right? So you can communicate me here. So like in AWS, there are lots of services like Bedrock, SageMaker, etc. So when to use service, we can decide. See, Bedrock is the dedicated for the generative AI. Okay, this is the dedicated for the generative AI, but SageMaker is a different thing. SageMaker is a platform. There you can perform like AutoML operation. Okay, so I've already covered Bedrock series in my playlist. You can check it out. So just last go to the LLM Ops section. There you will see that I've already covered Bedrock. Okay, Bedrock as well, how we can use Amazon Bedrock for implementing different kinds of generative AI based application. Got it? All right, guys. So thank you for joining the session. So let's connect tomorrow if you're having any doubt. So bye everyone. Take care. Bye.